To establish negligence in a trip and fall case, the plaintiff must prove, among other things, that the defendant either created the dangerous condition or had notice of it. A plaintiff who can't prove notice can't recover damages. In Renner v. Retzer Resources, the Mississippi Supreme Court considered whether the plaintiff presented sufficient evidence of notice. While on a road trip with his family, 76-year-old John Renner stopped at a McDonald's in Winona, Mississippi. After visiting the restaurant's condiment station, Renner tripped over the leg of a highchair that was sticking out from behind a half wall. Renner fell and suffered injuries to his face and shoulder. After the fall, Renner overheard a McDonald's employee ask another what the highchair was doing there and to move it. Renner brought suit against Retzer Resources Incorporated, the owner and operator of the Winona McDonald's, for negligence. During depositions, Greta Siegel, a regular patron and eyewitness to the fall, testified that the highchairs were routinely stored behind the half wall near the condiment station, with their legs often protruding into the walkway. She'd noted that she'd seen several other patrons similarly bump into them, and that while the highchairs themselves were visible, the protruding legs were unexpected. Siegel also stated that she'd reported the hazard to the store manager. In her deposition, the store manager didn't dispute Siegel's testimony, but testified that she believed the highchairs were appropriately stored. Retzer moved for summary judgment, arguing that Renner failed to demonstrate that the highchairs were a dangerous condition or that McDonald's had knowledge of the alleged danger. Renner countered that summary judgment was inappropriate, as his witness testimony established that McDonald's either created the hazard or had notice of it. The trial court granted Retzer's motion, finding that the presence of a highchair in a restaurant was a normal and usual condition that didn't support negligence liability. Renner appealed to the Mississippi Supreme Court.